This is John. But John has a problem. John struggles with understanding the GDPR. Watch this video to learn about the GDPR in general. What is the GDPR? GDPR is an acronym for General Data Protection Regulation that was introduced by 25th May of 2018. Citing the official GDPR.eu website, the GDPR is the toughest privacy and security law in the world. It is based on Article 8 of the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union, which's intention is to protect personal data. Its major changes were harmonization of rules for the protection of personal data. GDPR is all about personal data, which we will discover within this video. These personal data have to be secured by appropriate measures. Before 25th of May 2018, every European country had own data protection laws, such as the BDSG in Germany. The high amount of laws led to confusions and high efforts, since it was hard to identify the respective laws to be applied, especially if companies operated between country borders. However, since May 2018, the GDPR is the major data protection law for all European countries and countries within the European Economic Area. Who does GDPR apply to? If personal data is processed for private purposes among friends or relatives, the GDPR is not applicable for so-called natural persons. These data may include private photos and videos or address books. On the other hand, the GDPR is applicable for legal persons, means businesses and public authorities. Processing of personal data includes any kind of opening, storing, copying, deleting, or even seeing the personal data. Whilst most businesses process a high amount of information in general, personal data are most likely included in these information. However, not all information are personal related. Several business information are non-personal data, while often customer data such as name, email, or even phone number are personal related in some way. They can be matched to a natural person. Thirdly, businesses operating within the EU must follow the GDPR. One may think that businesses not physically located within the EU do not have to follow the GDPR. Be careful, the GDPR is additionally valid for business that offer their products or services to European customers. That ultimately means that almost every major corporation in the world needs a GDPR compliance strategy. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. To stay up to date to new information related to the GDPR and data security, subscribe this channel. If you are interested in particular GDPR or data security topics or want to raise any related questions, let me know in the comments.